Kat at datang iti mao di paset ti programa na poluan at da kamin kaaruba ket syempre ganggan na et nga sunatan ket baliwan ta mamut ha mga dagiti common nga English songs ti kantaan ta ikanta man iti twist na di kadi ikanta ti version na dagiti nga sunsanata uray no simple laeng nga sunatan ikambasit iti arte-arte na kumbaga nubuok ko ikam iti highlights na medyo og value mo tila nga kasama ti sunata no ikamot iti
kulay na
isalsalumi na nga timok na aka medyo ag value mo iti sa bali na diyang kansyon ko na
okay kasi nga sa bali sa
nga rod iti mo na nga sunata po. Here is something from The America.
Pampaturog.
All my life, without a doubt, I give you all my life, now and forever till the day I die. You and I will share all the things this changing world can offer. So I sing, and I'd be happy just to stay this way, spend each day with you. There was a time that I just thought that I would lose my mind. You came along and then the sun would shine, started on my way. I do recall that every moment spent was wasted time, but then I chose to lay it on the line. I put the past away, I put the past away, put the past away. All my life, I will carry you through all my life. Between each hour of the passing days, I will stay with you. There was a time that I just thought that I would lose my mind. You came along and then the sun that shine started on my way. Oh, I do recall that every moment spent was wasted time, but then I chose to lay it on the line. One that's all my life, one that's all my life, all my life. One that's all my life, one that's all my life, one that's all.
The hardest thing I've ever done is keep believing that someone in this crazy world for me. The way that people come and go through temporary lives, my chance could come at my never know. I used to say in the promises, let's keep it simple, but freedom only helps you say goodbye. It took a while for me to learn that nothing comes to free. The price I paid is high enough for me. I know I need to be in love. I know I've wasted too much time. I know I asked perfection of a good and perfect world. I'm fool enough to think that's what I find. So here I am with pockets full of good intentions, but none of them will comfort me tonight. I'm wide awake at 4 a.m. without a friend inside. I'm hanging on home, but I'm alright. I know I need to be in love. I know I've wasted too much time. I know I asked perfection of a good and perfect world. I'm fool enough to think that's what I find. Fool enough to think that's what I find.
Dahil kita tikong kunada nga revival. Okay, di ba?
Bossa Nova.
Instant revival dahil kita kasunsunata revival. May sabi nga revival, arabin tamo nga reggae. Actually, this was done by the Hot Dog and revived by Brownman Revival. Para katatayo amin na po.
Canadian
Tagalog
Gibbs.
lang. Binibini sa aking pagtulog, ika'y panaginip ko. Panaginip na kathang dakila nitong pag-isip ko. Ang katulad mo raw ay binigyan sa abang altar ng purong pag-ibig. O kay ganda, o kay ganda, makalay sa'yo.
Alaala at isip at pagod sa'yo'y binigay ko raw. Bini-bini ang aking dalangin, dasal dininig mo raw. Wika mo raw, iingatan ko
totoo kaya.
Sulit mo para nang sinadya. Pagsapit ng magandang umaga, ako'y bumalik wastin. Panaginip ng laho na tunaw, ngunit nariyan ka pa rin. Paraluman ikaw ay aking sabisang lakas ng purong pag-ibig. O kay ganda, o kay gandang maalay sa'yo. O kay ganda, o kay gandang maalay sa'yo. Apo, nakasasakit tinagaw apo nga panawan na kay manan. Ngayon, nasa yatla ang taagsubli kami tuman next week apo the same time.
The same frequency.
Dito lang apo KPRP Pinoy Power Radio 650 AM.
Honolulu, Hawaii.
With our program entitled
Adda kami karuba.
Ayan. So, goodbye and God bless everyone.